So Immersion with the Masters is a day of immersion in this incredibly healing, divine energy. It helps to transform your life. Now, what does that mean? You know, if you're like me and you've been to a bunch of different workshops, there's lots of different things that you do, but one of the things that I'm known for, one of the things that makes this workshop unique is this tangible connection that you feel. I've had this ability to connect with the other side since I was 4, since it was an accident that happened. And in this workshop, I use that to really bring the dimensions closer together. So if you would like to feel Christ or Mother Mary or an angel or your guides, tangibly shift your body, tangibly be something that you can experience, then that's what this workshop is about. And that's what I think is so cool about it, because we believe that there's this other dimension. We believe that God is there and that this help is there, but the way to know it is if you've had this experience. And that's something that you walk away with from this workshop, and nobody can ever take that from you. So you know from then on that there really is this other dimension, that there really is these incredible beings that help you on your journey, and they're there to answer questions and to guide you and to show you what it feels like to embody that high vibration, which changes everything in your life. From this moment in time, from this workshop, your life will be different. You'll never be the same person again, and it's like this really, really cool feeling, because there's nothing like feeling that level of love and connection and healing and positive energy and grace and forgiveness. All these things that we work to master here, you get. So come to this workshop. Can't wait to see you. It's just going to be a small group of us, so I'm very, very excited to have this interaction with you.